Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you find your shopping carts on your Get Your Git app. We go to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first. So you go down here. So you click here on cart down here. Just click on it. When you just click here on cart, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then here you will find all shopping carts you have. Like you see here, I have no shopping carts yet, but automatically if you have it here, you will find it in this list on your Get Your Git app. So that's all you have to do to find it. I wish know you I give it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.